5 dwarf fruit trees you can grow in buckets. Tiny patio orchard. You don't need land to grow fruit. You don't need a backyard, a farm, or even a garden. What you need is a container, the right tree, and a simple system that works. Most people overcomplicate fruit growing, which is why they never start. But once you understand how dwarf fruit trees work, everything changes. You realize you can grow a steady supply of fresh fruit in buckets right outside your door. This isn't theory. This is practical, beginner-friendly gardening that works in small spaces, balconies, patios, and even tight corners most people ignore. Dwarf fruit trees are specifically bred to stay compact while still producing full-sized fruit. That means you get the same quality harvest without needing massive space. The key is understanding how to manage roots, water, sunlight, and nutrients in a controlled container environment. Once you get that right, growing fruit becomes predictable instead of frustrating. I'm going to show you 5 of the easiest dwarf fruit trees you can grow in buckets, how to care for them properly, and the exact mistakes that stop most beginners before they ever see fruit. Tree 1. Lemon tree. The dwarf lemon tree is the best place to start if you've never grown fruit before. It's fast, forgiving, and incredibly productive in containers. You don't need perfect conditions to get results, which makes it ideal for beginners. A healthy lemon tree in a bucket can produce fruit consistently once established, giving you a reliable harvest throughout the year in warm climates. Start with a container that holds at least 20 to 30 liters. The size matters because it controls root development, which directly affects how much fruit your tree can produce. Too small and the tree struggles. Too large and you risk water retention problems if drainage isn't handled properly. Always make sure your container has multiple holes at the bottom. No drainage means root rot, and root rot kills faster than anything else in container gardening. Soil is where most people go wrong. Regular garden soil compacts inside containers and suffocates roots. Instead, use a loose, well-draining mix. Combine compost, sand, and loamy soil so water flows through easily while still holding enough nutrients. This balance is what keeps your lemon tree alive and productive. Sunlight is non-negotiable. Lemon trees need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Without that, growth slows, leaves drop, and fruit production stops completely. Place your container in the sunniest spot you have and keep it there. Constantly moving the plant weakens it, and lemon trees don't respond well to instability. Watering should follow a simple rule. Only water when the top layer of soil feels dry. Overwatering is more dangerous than underwatering. Too much water suffocates roots, while slightly dry conditions encourage stronger growth. Feed your tree every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer, and you'll see the difference quickly. The most common mistake is inconsistency. People either forget to feed or overdo it. Keep it steady, and the tree will reward you. Tree 2. Apple tree. Growing apples in a bucket sounds unrealistic, but dwarf apple trees are designed exactly for this. They stay compact while still producing full-sized fruit, making them perfect for small space growers who want something more substantial than herbs or vegetables. Use a larger container here, around 30 to 40 liters. Apple trees need more root space than citrus to maintain healthy growth and fruit production. The extra space allows the roots to spread just enough without becoming overcrowded too quickly. Like with all container plants, drainage is critical. If water sits at the bottom, the roots will eventually rot. One important detail beginners often miss is pollination. Some apple trees require a second tree to produce fruit. If you don't want that complexity, choose a self-pollinating dwarf variety. That single decision removes a major barrier and makes the process much simpler. Apple trees thrive in full sunlight, just like lemons. Keep the soil evenly moist but never soggy. Consistency matters more than quantity. Instead of pouring large amounts of water occasionally, aim for steady, moderate watering that keeps the soil balanced. Pruning is what separates a productive apple tree from a messy, unproductive one. Without pruning, the tree wastes energy on unnecessary branches instead of focusing on fruit. Remove weak, damaged, or overcrowded branches regularly. This improves airflow, reduces disease risk, and increases fruit yield. Most beginners avoid pruning because they're afraid of damaging the tree, but the opposite is true. Not pruning causes more harm over time. With proper care, a dwarf apple tree can start producing fruit within 1 to 2 years. That's a short timeline for something people usually associate with long-term farming. Tree 3, fig tree. The fig tree is one of the easiest fruit trees you can grow in a container, and it's often overlooked. It thrives in conditions that stress other plants and actually performs better when slightly restricted, which makes it perfect for bucket growing.
A container size of 20 to 30 liters is enough. Unlike other trees, figs don't need excessive root space to produce fruit. In fact, being slightly root-bound encourages better fruiting. This is one of the few plants where limited space works in your favor instead of against you. Figs require full sun for the best results. The more sunlight they get, the sweeter the fruit becomes. Watering should be moderate and controlled. Too much water leads to bland fruit and weak growth. Slight stress, especially in watering, signals the plant to focus on reproduction, which means more figs. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fig trees is overcare. They water too often, fertilize too heavily, and constantly interfere with the plant. Figs don't need that level of attention. Give them the basics and let them do their job. Sometimes the best approach is to step back and allow the plant to grow naturally. If your fig tree isn't producing fruit, reduce watering slightly and make sure it's getting enough sunlight. Small adjustments often trigger a strong response in fig trees, making them one of the most responsive plants you can grow. Tree 4, peach tree. The dwarf peach tree brings a different level of satisfaction. It produces soft, juicy fruit and beautiful blossoms, making it both productive and visually appealing. Growing peaches in a container is completely possible, but it requires a bit more attention compared to figs or lemons. Use a container between 30 and 40 liters. Peaches need space to support both root growth and fruit development. As always, ensure proper drainage. Without it, all the effort you put into growing the tree can be lost quickly. Sunlight is critical. Peach trees need strong, consistent exposure to grow properly and produce quality fruit. Place them in the brightest location available and avoid shaded areas. Weak sunlight leads to poor fruit development and reduced yields. Watering should keep the soil slightly moist but never waterlogged. Consistency matters here more than anything else. Sudden changes in watering patterns can stress the tree and affect fruit quality. Peach trees benefit from nutrient support, especially fertilizers rich in potassium. This helps improve fruit size, sweetness, and overall yield. Feeding regularly, but not excessively, keeps the tree productive without overwhelming it. Pests can become an issue with peach trees if ignored. Regularly check leaves and stems for signs of insects. Early detection makes control simple. Waiting too long turns a small problem into a major setback. Basic organic treatments are usually enough to keep pests under control.
With the right balance of sunlight, water, and nutrients, a dwarf peach tree can produce surprisingly good fruit in a container, even in limited space. Tree 5. Guava or orange tree. For warm climates, guava and orange trees are among the most rewarding options you can grow in buckets. Both adapt well to container life and produce fruit that's fresh, flavorful, and consistently satisfying. Guava is the easier of the two. It grows quickly, adapts to different conditions, and produces heavily once established. Orange trees take slightly longer, but offer a steady supply of citrus when properly maintained. Use containers between 25 and 35 liters. This size provides enough room for root development without making the plant difficult to manage. Like every other tree on this list, drainage must be a priority. Waterlogged soil will destroy your plant faster than neglect. Full sunlight is essential. These trees depend on strong light to produce healthy fruit. Without enough sun, growth becomes weak and fruit production drops significantly. Place them where they receive maximum exposure throughout the day. Water consistently, but avoid excess. The goal is to maintain balance. Too little water slows growth, while too much damages roots. Find the middle ground and stick to it. A simple technique is rotating your container slightly each week. This ensures even sunlight exposure and balanced growth, preventing the tree from leaning or developing unevenly. The biggest mistake with these trees is poor drainage and inconsistent care. Once you correct those two issues, both guava and orange trees become reliable producers in container setups. Safety and growing principles. Container fruit growing is simple, but only if you follow a few non-negotiables. First, always ensure proper drainage. Every container must have holes at the bottom. Without that, nothing else matters. Second, use the right soil mix. Loose, well-draining soil keeps roots healthy and prevents most problems before they start. Third, keep your watering consistent. Don't guess. Check the soil and respond to what the plant actually needs. Fourth, provide enough sunlight. Fruit trees are energy-demanding plants. Without sufficient light, they won't perform. Fifth, start small. Trying to grow everything at once usually leads to failure. Begin with one tree, learn how it behaves, and expand gradually. This builds confidence and reduces mistakes. So why does this matter? Because it removes the biggest excuse people have for not growing their own food. Space is no longer a limitation. You don't need a large garden to produce fruit. You don't need complicated systems or expensive setups. You just need to start with one container and one tree. Lemon, apple, fig, guava, or orange, each of these can grow in a bucket and produce real fruit if you follow the basics correctly. The difference between success and failure isn't luck, it's consistency and understanding. Your action plan is simple. Choose one tree, get a container, set it up properly, start growing. Once you see results, everything else becomes easier. What looks complicated at the beginning quickly becomes routine. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks they need a big garden to grow food. The reality is this: you don't need land to grow an orchard. You can build one bucket at a time.